A California DUI conviction does more than create a court case. For doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other licensed professionals, it also triggers a separate process with the licensing board that issued your professional license. The court and the board are two different systems, and you can face consequences in both at the same time. Most California licensing boards require you to self-report a DUI conviction within a set window, often 30 days. The Medical Board of California, for example, expects disclosure of any conviction, including a DUI. Failing to report on time can itself become a separate ground for discipline, on top of the underlying offense. Check your board's specific rules, because the deadlines and forms differ. Boards evaluate whether a DUI shows a pattern of alcohol or drug misuse that could affect patient safety or professional fitness. They look at the circumstances of the arrest, your blood alcohol level, whether minors were in the vehicle, any prior DUI history, and what steps you have taken since. A single first offense DUI with no aggravating factors is treated differently than one involving a collision, a very high BAC, or a prior record. Discipline ranges widely. A board may take no action, send a letter of concern, require participation in a monitoring program like the Physician Health Program, impose probation with conditions, or in serious cases suspend or revoke a license. The outcome depends heavily on the specific facts and how the matter is presented. Results vary from case to case. How your criminal case resolves can affect what the board sees. A conviction, even a reduced charge like a wet reckless under Vehicle Code 231035, is still reportable. A plea to a lesser charge is not the same as a dismissal, and the board reads the actual facts of the case, not just the final charge. An expungement under Penal Code 1203.4 may help with some employers, but it generally does not erase the board's ability to consider the underlying conduct. Because licensing board proceedings are a separate legal track, a DUI defense attorney and a professional licensing attorney often need to work together. What you say in one proceeding can surface in the other. Acting quickly, understanding your reporting deadline, and documenting any rehabilitation steps you take are all practical things that can matter when the board evaluates your case. A DUI is serious for anyone, but for licensed professionals in California, the stakes extend well beyond the courtroom. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.